Hello, guys. Welcome. And if you are RBI Grade B aspirants for 2017, this is the right place for you to find the awareness questions for it. Okay, so first of all, let's pause your video and I'll show you two slides where previous year questions are there. So you can see what kind of questions will be asked. So let's pause it. Okay, so if you have already went through all of these questions, then I'll just give you an example of one question, 29 question. As you can see here, it is Maputo is a capital of Mozambique. So last year India and Mozambique signed an MOU for the import of pulses दाल import करने वाले थे हम उनसे. सो वहां से क्वेश्चन बना था कि मोपेतो की राजधानी क्या है, मोज़म्बिक का राजधानी क्या है और उसकी करेंसी क्या होती है. तो कहीं पे भी ऐसी कोई भी न्यूज़ आपको दिखती है किसी भी देश से लेके, तो उसकी करेंसी और कैपिटल याद रखिए. और स्पेशली जून के 15 जून तक के और अप्रैल के जनरल अवेयरनेस क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा आएंगे. अप्रैल के कम आएंगे, मई के और जून के ज़्यादा आएंगे. ओके, जैसा पिछले बार ऐसा ही हुआ था. ओके, सो ये एक और स्लाइड है, इसको भी पॉज करके देख लीजिए. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. First is Facebook Express Wi-Fi service is launched and it was launched in Meghalaya. So question will be like Facebook Express service कहाँ पे launch हुआ? मेघालय, गुजरात, राजस्थान और महाराष्ट्र. So you should know it's Meghalaya. So second thing is the MOAs between MOAs are the memorandum of agreement signed for the purchase of 1,000 megawatt of wind power under the MNRE's first wind auction at New Delhi. So MNRE is the Ministry of Natural Resources and Natural and Renewable Energy. So it was signed between Power Trade Corporation and Discom. Discom is distribution companies of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Delhi, Assam, and Odisha. Some direct question will be there, so you should remember this figure that Odisha is 50 megawatt, Delhi is 100 megawatt. So it will be there. और क्वेश्चन विल बी लाइक कि इनमें से किस स्टेट ने MOA साइन नहीं किया है. सो यूपी, बिहार, झारखंड के साथ वो आपको राजस्थान दे देगा. सो यू शुड नो कि राजस्थान ने नहीं किया है. नेक्स्ट इज नेशनल स्टील पॉलिसी 2017 लॉन्च हुई है विच एस्पायर्स टू अचीव 300 मेगावाट ऑफ स्टील मेकिंग कैपेसिटी बाय 2030 एंड 31. सो पिछले बार ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछे थे किसी स्कीम जो लॉन्च होती है वो उनका पीरियड क्या है, कब तक के लिए वो लॉन्च की गई है. सो यू शुड नो कि इट इज 2030 एंड 31. इसके मेन पॉइंट्स है इट रिप्लेस नेशनल स्टील पॉलिसी ऑफ 2005. It aims to meet the target increase of per capita consumption from 60 to 158 kilogram. That is to reduce import dependence on coking coal from about 85% to 65% by 2030 and 31. So question will be like which of the following is not true about not the objective of national steel policy. So वो आपको चेंज कर सकते हैं. आइदर ये 158 kg की जगह पे 170 180 कर सकते हैं या 300 MT की जगह पे 400 मेगाटन कर सकते हैं. So you should know these exact figure. Next is Vijayawada airport declared as the international airport. Next is Banking Regulation Act 1949 will be amended to deal with the NPAs and it is non-performing assets with public sector banks. You should remember that this is the act. They will ask कि 4 एक्ट दे देंगे और पूछेंगे कौन सा कौन सा एक्ट था. So you should remember Bank Regulation Act 1949. Next is new base year for Index of Industrial Production IPP will be changed to 2011 2012 from 2004 to 5. So old was 4 5. Now it will be 11 and 12. It will be launched by statistician TCA Ananta. Okay, this is very important question. Next is Indian Railway will be use radio frequency identification RFI tags for tracking of wagons, coaches, locomotive to ensure effective and transparent function. It is developed by Chris. Basically all the websites or platform is developed by Chris. I think it is Center for Railway Information. इसका full form ऐसे. So you should remember anywhere if it is railway then it is developed by Chris. Next is SEBI has finalized the norm for issuance and listing of green bonds. Okay, सो लास्ट ईयर भी एक क्वेश्चन था ग्रीन बॉन्ड से, लंदन में फर्स्ट कौन से बैंक ने अपने ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स लॉन्च किए, तो आई थिंक इट वाज एक्सिस बैंक, नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. So it is also important. Telecom subscriber base in India in February 2017, end of February, it was 1.18 billion. So you should remember this as well. Now next is cash rich coal power and oil PSUs will jointly invest of about 30,000 crore. It is important figure, you should write it, to revive four mothballed mean fertilizers plant which was shut down by 2020 to 2021 to make India self-sufficient in urea production and cut imports. So आप इससे ये पूछ सकता है कि इसका एम क्या है. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर मेक इंडिया सेल्फ सफिशिएंट. सो इनके प्लांट्स जो है, यूरिया के 4 प्लांट्स है, गोरखपुर उत्तर प्रदेश, सिंदरी इन झारखंड, तलचेर in Odisha, and Barauni in Bihar. Sorry for the pronunciation. Okay, so it is important. Next, India's most attractive employer 2017 was Google, and it was survey by the Randstad organization. So it was a Randstad survey. It is Google. Next, M. Venkaiah Naidu, who is Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, launched two important micro and small enterprise facilitation council portal and my MSME mobile app. And Union Minister for MSME is Shri Kalraj Mishra. Okay, next is SEBI Chairman Ajay Tyagi. It is important who is the SEBI Chairman. Announces reforms measure, and it allowed investor to use e-wallet to buy mutual fund up to rupees 5,000 a year. सॉरी 50,000 रुपीज आप ई वॉलेट्स से पे कर सकते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड खरीदने के लिए. सेकंड है, इट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग इन कमोडिटी मार्केट. Okay, so that was it. One more question I found out in internet, and so I took a snapshot. So I'll also let you know how to take snapshots for these. You should not watch any video again and again. So if paper is on 17, you should take snapshots of all the videos, all the slides of the videos. So okay, so let's move on to the question. The Reserve Bank of India made substantial changes in norms for dealing with stress loan. You should know the difference between stress loan and NPS. So kindly go through it in the context of consider the following statement. So it was asked which of the following statements were true, and in this case all of them are true. So first is it made the changes under the framework of for revitalizing distressed assets in economy. Second is it is the decision making process in the joint lenders forum JLF and corrective action plan CAP CP. Third is a minimum of 60% of creditors by value and 50% of creditors by number in JLF would be considered as the basis for deciding CAP. Banks are required to implement decision of the JLF within 90 days of approval. So जो भी JLF का डिसीजन होगा बैंक्स को उसे इम्प्लीमेंट 90 डेज के अंदर करना होगा. सो इम्पोर्टेंट है ये 4 पॉइंट्स को आप रिमेंबर करें. सेकंड, स्ट्रेस लोन्स एंड एनपीएस पे आपको डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन पे बहुत सारी स्कीम्स, बहुत सारे मेजर्स उन्हें ठीक करने के लिए आते रहते हैं. So that's it for today, and if response will be good and if you want more videos like this, please comments on the comment section and like this video and subscribe our channel. So anyhow, don't worry, we'll bring more videos to you even if you don't, but please do it. Thank you.